Please note, this video is only for educational purpose. I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research.
Want skin that actually stays hydrated and glowing all day? B Plus melts right in without feeling heavy or greasy. B Plus Beauty Cream. Glow starts here.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel AI Moonstar. Friends, artificial intelligence is changing the world of content creation from cinematic videos to lifelike images. Everything is now possible with just one simple prompt. On this channel, we explore the best AI tools, breaking them down into easy, step-by-step tutorials for complete beginners. Whether you want to create stunning visuals or promote your own AI projects, you're in the right place. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the future of AI together.
Friends, today I am going to explore amazing platform Flova AI. Flova AI, your personal AI video agent. So you can create amazing videos here by using different AI tools. Here you can check out. I will provide you link in the video description. Friends, here are the different models that you can check out. For video, you can use CDANS 2.5. And here are the images option. You can generate amazing images by using GPT Image 2.0, Nano Banana Pro and other features. And even for music, for audio, all the tools are available here. And you can also choose the scale. According to your script, according to your idea, you can move forward. So friends, in today's video, I am going to generate AI marketing video. So how I can generate amazing 30-second video ad by using Flova AI and CDANS 2.5. Watch the full video. I will explain everything here. So friends, let's start. Friends, first of all, we need to check a complete brief or script so that we can generate amazing videos. So let's check out the brief. Friends, here is brief. My product name is A Plus Beauty Cream. And here is more information. You can check out resolution 1080p, format 16.9 horizontal. And my target market is USA, Canada, UK, and other many European countries. I will add 20-year-old female character. I will use English language. And if we talk about the video specification, I already tell you, video ad duration will be 30 seconds. And you can check out all information. I will add dialogues of music. And here is the prompts, different prompts, complete storyboard. You can check out. So this is the complete step that I will add and Flova will generate amazing video for me. So now I will show you my product image. First, here is my product image. B Plus Beauty Cream. I will use this image and I will generate amazing 30-second video. So let's start. Friends, first of all, I will add brief. I have added the brief and now I will select the product image. I have added my product image. Now I will select the model CDANS 2.5 and here I will choose the scale according to my ad. So here is the best option that I have checked, product promo video. So now work is final and I will click on the generate button. Process will be started. So friends, I will click on the generate button. Friends, you can check out in the canvas mode, video production process has been started. Video specification is ready, 30 second, 16.9, 1080p, A Plus Beauty Cream commercial. So now storyboard updating. So here are the options. How would you like to proceed? Approve storyboard, refine the storyboard. So if you refine the storyboard, you can add and you can change something easily. But I will go with approved storyboard. So here is my product image. So now generating prompts. Now also generating assets. Friends, the good thing is that you can watch all video production process here. During the production, if you want to change something, you can easily change it. So friends, here is the resolution confirmation. Allow SD border 1080p or 4K for this generation. Allow this product to use SD model 1080p and 4K and use SD model 720p. So I will go with 1080p and here process has been started again and now generating different shots. So friends, the video has been ready. Let's watch it. Wow, ads looks really amazing. Friends, if you want to change something, you can also change. Before changing in the ad, I want to tell you, if you want to edit, you can edit here, you can export the ad, you can edit and you can cut the ad and you can adjust your volume. Here is the option. You can adjust the speed, you can edit the voice and you can change the voice. What you want to do, you can do here. So friends, for localization, if we want to change the ad language, we can easily change it. For example, if I am living in China and I want to generate ad for China, so no need to regenerate all process. I will change this ad in Chinese language. Very simple. Here I have write, please change the ad language English to Chinese. So I will change that. So let's click. So I will click on the confirm button. Here the process has been started and ad will be converted in Chinese language just in a few steps. So please wait for the result. I will show you the final result. So friends, the ad has been converted in Chinese language. Let's watch it. Wow, ad looks really amazing. Friends, if you want to change something, you can also change. Before changing in the ad, I want to tell you, if you want to edit, you can edit here, you can export the ad, you can edit and you can cut the ad and you can adjust your volume. Here is the option. You can adjust the speed, you can edit the voice and you can change the voice. What you want to do, you can do here. So friends, for localization, if we want to change the ad language, we can easily change it. For example, if I am living in China and I want to generate ad for China, so no need to regenerate all process. I will change this ad in Chinese language. Very simple. Here I have write, please change the ad language English to Chinese. So I will change that. So let's click. So I will click on the confirm button. Here the process has been started and ad will be converted in Chinese language just in a few steps. So please wait for the result. I will show you the final result. So friends, the ad has been converted in Chinese language. Let's watch it.
想要一整天都水润透亮的肌肤 B Plus 美颜霜轻轻一抹就能瞬间融入肌肤，肤感细腻、轻盈不黏腻。B Plus 美颜霜，光彩由此开始，立即购买。
Friends, if you want to change something in the ad, for example, even you can change the jar. So here is the jar and I want to change something here. Jar cap is in golden color, so I want to make it in white color. How? Very simple. I will change and I will show you before and after result. So friends, here I add the prompt. Please change the jar cap. I need white cap on jar. So I will click on the continue button. The process has been started. I will show you the before and after result. Please wait for the final result. So friends, here is before and after result. You can check out image consistency and here I just changed the cap. Before the cap was in golden color. After changing, the cap is in white color. So you can change what you want to change by using Flova AI. Friends, you can also add the caption in the video. So you can use different software for captions. So let's add the captions. Friends, I have added the caption so that I can make it more professional and beautiful. So dear friends, the video has been ready. Let's watch full and final video.
Want skin that actually stays hydrated and glowing all day? B Plus melts right in without feeling heavy or greasy. B Plus Beauty Cream. Glow starts here.
Friends, the good thing is that you can save your all workflow here. Here are the option. You can save your all files and you can reuse it anytime. No need to start from scratch. This is the beauty of Flova AI. You can edit all your work again and what you want to change, you can change it. No need to start from scratch. So dear friends, if you want to generate smooth and amazing videos, you can get Flova pricing and plan. Here are the offers: Starter, Basic, Plus and Pro. You can subscribe and you can start your work smoothly. I will provide you link in the video description. So dear friends, thank you very much for watching the video. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.